it's YouTube time. Today I'm gonna introduce the words from the smart flashcards. Can you see this? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? And this is smart flashcards. Okay. And let's get started. Okay. This is a laptop. Search for internet or text someone. Play games or do something, watching Netflix. Okay, this one is a washing machine. Can I wash myself? No. But someone is messaging. Okay, this is a washing machine to wash your clothes, like clothes. This is a clothes. I hear that footsteps. Stop it. This is washing machine. This starts with washing. And do you see this little hole? Have to take it out and put your trash and put it in this hole. And they also have a plastic window. So you can see if it's already done. And this is the thing. Where is the one that you're gonna put all the good smell soap? This is the washing machine. Okay, that's already done. And I thought this is the new one. Okay. Oh, sorry guys, that's just my chair. This is a duster, and this one, if we get the E and R, this is a dust. And this one is, do you know this word? This is dust. And if you put the ER, it's duster. And this one, ooh, nice color. Nice. Do you like this color? Comment down below. And duster. This is the big letters. This is the small letters. Duster. I can already. Oh, no. This is a scissors. Scissors to cut, but not these big scissors. Big scissors. Like the dangerous one. The big scissors is for adults, and the small one is for the kids. You can buy adults. You can if adults have kids, and kids use the big scissors, right? You're gonna be cut if you don't have any paper. So if the children are smart, you have to tell, Mommy, can I buy the little scissors? And they can say, yes, we can buy. But they don't know where to buy. I have the small version ones. And let's go to the another one. This is a telephone to call like this. Hello, can I buy some pizza with macaroni? Or you can call your friend. And oh, nice fluffy. This is a bowl. Can you see this? Bowl. B-O-W-L. Bowl. This is the small one. Nice. This is basket. If it's Easter, but if it's already Easter, you can pick some eggs. Easter basket or this basket, and you can bring this one to the market. And this is a basket. Umbrella. This is umbrella. If you use an umbrella, if it rains, you have to use an umbrella with your raincoat. With your raincoat, of course. And this is television or FGTV. FGTV. This is a television to watch, relax, watch scary movies. Ooh. And this one is broom to sweep the floor. Sweep, 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 sweep. Like sweep the floor like Cinderella. This is a fork, not forky. This is a fork. Fork. A fork. Ooh, it's a fork with colors. Nice forks. You use the forks for holding, do like this. Just pretend this is a fork, and you do like the carrots like this, and it will stick, and you eat it. Or cucumber, right? I love cucumbers. They're my favorite, and carrots. I like some carrots. I never eat those before with mayonnaise. Nice mayonnaise. Tea, knife. Oh my God, this is a big knife. You can't use it on kids. You're gonna be cut. If you go to the hospital and you tell to the doctor, do you have any fingers? And the doctor said no. And it said, and the kid said, wait. Okay, on to the next one. But only adults can use it. But kids have to use the little knife. My mom already bought it. It's so fun. I use the bread knife. So cool. Rice cooker to put the rice, so it's gonna be like sticky. And you can eat the rice. And this is rice cooker. There's a cover to put it up. Oh, rice cooker. This is a pot to put some. You can boil it. Boil something. You have to open the cap and put some things. Okay. Or to boil some carrots. Vegetables. No, I don't know. This is a flashlight, and you can also call it a torch. Torch. Torch, flashlight. Nice. Hair dryer. Oh, if your hair is wet, you can use the hair dryer. I really don't want a hair dryer because if I use it, and if I put this one in here, it's gonna be so hot. I'm gonna be burned like a burn. Burn. Hair dryer. Fire extinguisher. If they have fire in your house, you can do like this. But you also, if you have a fire extinguisher in your house, just get it and put all the fire away. But it's already when you're cooking something, and you have to check the food. If you don't check the food, the food will burn and your house will be. Oh my God! I don't want to happen it. I already moved it. And Okay guys, that's all for the video. So let's continue tomorrow as the hairdryer and the fire extinguisher. Bye bye you guys. Subscribe, like, and share.